I therefore allow the application and grant bail bond to the applicants and all their co-accused.
Hours after 43 suspects in the 468 million shilling scandal at the National Youth Service were freed on stringent bond terms, the much-anticipated case against them failed to kick off for the second time. This is after it emerged that the accused persons are yet to be furnished with relevant documents which the prosecution will use to prove its case. Appearing before Anti-Corruption Chief Magistrate Douglas Ogoti, the defense lawyers opposed the pre-trial conference, which was meant to fix hearing dates, arguing by doing so, the court will be infringing on the rights of the suspects. Ogoti adjourned the pre-trial conference to 17 July and further directed the Director of Public Prosecutions to serve all the suspects with relevant documents, including original witness statements, beginning Monday next week. The suspects were on Tuesday released by the High Court on condition that they pay a bond of 5 million shillings, 2 million shillings surety, and a 1 million shillings cash bill. However, for some of the suspects, the orders cannot be complied since their bank accounts have been frozen. The Anti-Corruption Court has, however, asked the suspects to raise their concerns once the hearing kicks off, even as they seek to challenge the decision by the Assets and Recovery Authority to freeze their bank accounts. These suspects, who include Public Affairs Principal Secretary Lilian Omolo and NYS Director Richard Dubai, are required to deposit their travel documents to the court and report to the Directorate of Criminal Investigation offices once every week pending further orders of the trial court.
An officer should be assigned this duty at the said office of the DCI. They should not go to their former offices unless accompanied by a police officer. They should not make contact, whether directly or otherwise, howsoever, with any of the staff and or witnesses to be called by the prosecution.
Ben Chumba, reporting for Channel 1 News Hour.